Save time and simplify laundry day by setting up your washer with voice control. We'll show you how. No special tools are required to complete this task. The GE Profile washer is the only washer with Alexa built in, so you can use your voice to optimize your washer for removal of a stain or care for a garment based on its fabric. To set up Voice Assist, first download the SmartHQ app and sign in. The app will then search for your washer. Once found, you'll see a pop-up asking you to pair it with the app. Now choose your washer model. The app will then direct you to press and hold the temp button to activate the Wi-Fi LED. You will then see a prompt to enter your Wi-Fi password. Once the Wi-Fi LED stops flashing, you're connected. Now you can set up the Alexa built-in. Verify that your smart device and your washer are on the same Wi-Fi network. Then register your Alexa built-in with Amazon. Click Start. Click Copy Code. Then press the Go to Website button and log into your Amazon account. Paste the copied code into the Register Your Device field and press Continue. You then have to give the washer access to Alexa voice services. Click Allow. You should then get a message stating that your registration is complete. Now you can return to the SmartHQ app. The app will attempt to connect to the washer. Once successfully signed in, you will need to set up your SmartHQ skills. Choose Alexa skill. This will launch the Alexa app. You will need to search for your washer model and add it to the app. Then follow the Amazon instructions to enable the desired skill. Now you can use your voice with the SmartHQ skill to wash or dry a specific type of fabric or remove a type of stain.
Optimizing your washer for silk.
Of course, you can also play music, ask about the weather, or enable any other Alexa skills you may want.